Hey guys, and welcome to my new channel, DIY Funhouse. We'll be doing all DIYs, clothing hacks, all the things, crafts. Okay, but today we will be making some pencil holders and desk organizers. I put my markers in this one. I have colored pencils and crayons in others. So what you're going to need is a can, like a can that you normally throw away, but you just repurpose it. So it's good for the environment too. And also what you're going to need is some yarn. And I like to use Knit Picks yarn because it is more, it's like thinner, so it like sticks better. You can wrap it. You can use like any kind of yarn. Just make sure it's thin enough. Make sure it isn't too like thick and bulky because it'll make it wind a lot better. You're also just going to need some hot glue. And let's get started. So first you're just going to put some hot glue on. And then, so you're going to stick it right on there, like I just did. Stick the yarn. And then, you're just going to wind it, but make sure, like I have a technique, you just put your thumbnail right there, thumbnail here, and just wind it, like this. And once you get the hang of it, it'll go pretty fast. Just make sure that you're not, like, crossing them over, because sometimes you can cross them over, and then it'll make the whole thing mess up, like this one. I kind of crossed things over, right there. It didn't really, that was one of my first, but, so if you want to do it, like, super time consuming, but it looks pretty good, so you just wind it, keep winding. So we will be back and show you how you end this. So that didn't take that long. It kind of took maybe 5 minutes. It wasn't very long. When you do like the bigger tins, it can take a very long time. Like it's taken me 15 minutes. I just don't think that's like the right amount of time to spend on these things. So you just have to like put it down, and then you have to figure out how to make it stay while you wind it, because there's a little lip that goes in. Just to make sure that it stays when you wind it. See, it's like going up to hold it down. And then you take some hot glue. Well, my hot glue has been off, so I will be back when it heats up. We're back. So it's done. And now we just need to finish it off. But this is probably the most challenging part. You're gonna have to try to wind it up, but there's a little lip here, and you can't really get it over, and it goes straight in, right? You know. So you're going to have to just take your hot glue once again and make a line closest to where you're working. Doesn't have to be a lot of glue, it can be a small amount, but just make sure you have enough to get it to stick to. So you're just gonna wind it around, wind it and stick it. So you can end it here if you want, but what I like to do is I like to just try to push it down and see where it could use a little bit more of the yarn. So you kind of gotta keep going. Making sure that you have like enough space though, because if you run out of space, it won't be pretty. Been there, done that. So now, just when you're ready to end, take like a small dab of glue and put it right on it, and you should like scooch the ones up towards it that are right next to it. So just put them towards it. So like the first one, maybe the second one can stick to it. And then you want to move them all down. Make sure it gets full coverage to where you want it to be. And then you just cut it. And you're done. So this is our final product. And you can put like your scissors in it. I have small ones like this that I put my scissors in. It's a pretty good size. It looks pretty good. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more awesome DIY videos.